Today we're making 1-minute brownie. Ever wonder how you can fulfill your cravings in 1 minute? In a microwave-safe bowl, melt 1½ tablespoons butter and 30 grams chocolate together. Make sure you cut the chocolate into small chunks, and microwave and notice the butter will start to fry before the chocolate gets a chance to melt. Then add 2 tablespoons sugar and mix. Add the room temperature 1½ tablespoons milk, four and a half tablespoons all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt and mix well. Transfer the mixture into a 10 cm by 10 cm container lined with parchment paper. Alternatively, you can use a wide mug or large teacup, totally depends on your preference. Microwave for anywhere between 60 seconds to 90 seconds. Every microwave is different. The cook time in your microwave could be anywhere between 60 seconds to 80 seconds. Check the brownie after 1 minute. Do not over-bake. Once you take the brownie out of the microwave, it will be very soft. You can either enjoy it as is with a spoon, or allow it to cool completely before eating. As it cools, it will firm up and develop that iconic fudgy brownie texture. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.